For exercise 6C, we're to read each sentence aloud, and in each sentence we're to identify the adjective and the noun that it modifies or describes. Then we're to use the ending on the adjective to determine whether the noun it modifies or describes is masculine or feminine. And then lastly, we are to translate the sentence. So let's go ahead and get started. For sentence, Cornelia magnum fragorum audit, and Cornelia is your subject, Cornelia, and then audit, here's present, and third person singular, here's a large crash, here's a large crash. And this is going to be the adjective and the noun that it modifies. And fragorum, it's hard to tell what gender it is, but magnum is definitely masculine. So magnum fragorum is masculine. So Cornelia hears a loud crash, and magnum fragorum is itself masculine. 2. Pueri sunt laetae. Pueri, boys. Sunt means are. The boys are happy. Laetae and pueri are both masculine endings, and they're plural. And the noun-adjective pair there is boys and happy. So the happy boys. The boys are happy. Puella silicita magnum vocem audit. So puella silicita means the anxious girl. There's one noun-adjective pair, and they're both feminine. The anxious girl, and then audit, hears, and then magnum vocem. Vocem, that em ending, it's hard to tell if it's masculine or feminine, but magnum here is definitely feminine. So both sets of adjectives here are feminine. First pair is puella silicita, which is feminine, and then the second pair is magnum vocem, which is feminine. Next sentence, magnum clamorem non amat Davus. Davus here is your subject. Be very careful, even though it's the end of the sentence. So Davus does not like, and then magnum clamorem. This here is your noun-adjective pair, and it is masculine based off of the ending of magnum. That um is masculine. So magnum clamorem. Davus does not like the big or loud noise or clamor. Number 5, sextus est puer strenuus. Sextus is a active boy. Strenuous modifies puer. Puer is masculine, and that us ending on strenuous makes this a masculine adjective. So one more time, sextus. Sextus is a strenuous boy. Next sentence, Davus puerum non amat. Davus does not like the active boy. Active boy. And this is, your noun-adjective pair is strenuum, puerum, which are both masculine. And m ending means it's your direct object, receiving the action of the verb amat, like. So Davus does not like the active boy or the strenuous boy. Pueri ad vilam vicinam currunt. The boys are running. And then add vilam vicinam, to the country house. Vilam vicinam here is your noun-adjective pair, and it is feminine. So the boys are running to the neighboring country house. Davus non est Romanus. Davus is not a Roman. Your noun-adjective pair is here, Romanus and Davus, and it's masculine. In this case, Romanus is operating as the complement of the subject Davus, but that's your noun-adjective pair here, and it's masculine. Next, puellae laetae in agris erant. The happy girls is your noun-adjective pair, and they're both feminine. The happy girls were wandering in agris, in the fields. The happy girls were running in the fields. And last, magnam arborum pueri in agris vident. Pueri here is your subject. You can tell by the I ending. Masculine subjects have an I ending. So in this case, boys, or the boys, are watching the magnam arborum, which is your noun-adjective pair. magnum arborum. And while you may not know what arborum is, what gender arborum is, you can definitely tell that magnum here is feminine. So there's your noun adjective pair, magnum arborum, the big tree, and it's feminine. So the boys are watching the big tree in Agras in the fields. The boys are watching the big tree in the fields.